Hey everyone, welcome back to Sunday Olive Pilates with Simone Sharice, which is me. This is how I looked afterwards, so you're in for a nice little workout. Let's get started on this 12-minute workout. Palms are behind you, legs are in tabletop, proud chest, really focus on lifting that breastbone. Keep your eyes on your toes to keep a nice straight spine. Focus on keeping a neutral spine, your body's entirely still, and we're going slow and controlled. Lower your legs down, have your fingertips facing towards your feet, lift the body up, take an inhale, exhale, lift that right leg, keeping that leg nice and straight to your best ability, and lifting the left leg. And we continue. Keep the body as straight as possible. Lift the hips up just an extra inch so we're not dipping down. And imagine there's a little ball between the chin and the chest. Sit tall and reach for your toes. Shoulders are relaxed. As you roll back, pull your belly button in and start to roll back slowly. Make your spine round like the letter C as you lower down. Once you're flat, reach your arms overhead. We inhale, exhale. Now scoop in your belly as you lift your head, chest and shoulders, and roll back up. Reach for your toes. Restack the spine and continue. Keep the arms raised, fingertips to ceiling. Bring the legs in tabletop and keep the arms at a hover. Once you're comfortable, lift the head and chest mostly, and scissor the legs. So we bring the right leg down and we alternate this movement. As you do this, keep a neutral spine. So imagine a small blueberry is able to be underneath your lower back without being squished. And if your neck starts to hurt, go ahead and place your hands behind your head, giving you a little bit more support. But if this does happen, focus on lifting the shoulder blades off of the mat. The chest is lifting up high. Bring both legs up to meet together. Inhale, exhale, lower the legs down, circle them around and up, and alternate your circles. So we'll bring them up and lower, bring them down and around, and in the opposite direction, keeping that core nice and tight still. And in this movement, I do have an imprinted spine, and keeping the pelvis as steady as possible, keeping that head chest lifted, and we inhale and we exhale as we circle. Bring the knees into your chest and circle them around. Breathe. Let's go ahead and stretch the spine. Bring the knees to the left and bring your gaze to the right. And switch. Bring the hands behind the head again once more, legs in tabletop. We take an inhale and extend the right leg, bring it back into tabletop and extend the left and continue. Next time we straighten the right leg, we lower, bring the leg back up, lower again, and back in tabletop. Make sure you're breathing. And breathe. I am so pooped, you guys, but we're almost done. We have 6 minutes left. Lay on your left side. Try to keep that elbow directly underneath the shoulder. Try not to stick the tummy out like how I'm doing to show you guys. Bring it back in so your hips are squared. We take an inhale and we bring the legs up to meet the hands and come back onto our hip. Next, we'll add in the stretch. Reach high. Take an inhale, exhale to lower and reach the arm up and overhead. And we come back and crunch and reach the feet to the hands. Try to make sure you're not sinking into your shoulder as I'm doing right here. This one is definitely a challenge. My monthly friend is coming tomorrow, so I am very bloated and very just tired, but we're gonna get through this together. And we pulse. Come on up to all fours, knees are under hips and wrists are on the shoulders. Go into your neutral spine, tuck the toes under and lift the knees, hold, and lower. Try not to sink into your shoulders like I just did. Push the ground away, take an inhale, lift the knees up and lower. Keep that core tight the entire time. You should feel this in your lower abdominals, your shoulders, and pretty much your full body. Use the core to lift you up. Pressing the ground away at all times. Inhale to lift and exhale to lower all the way back down. We stay lifted, extend the right leg and the left leg back and come back into that bear hover, lower the knees. Inhale, lift, step the right leg and the left, come back into that bear hover, keeping that core tight, lower the knees and continue. Stretch it out, go into your child's pose. Now it's time for the other side, and you guys know what to do. Woo! I am breaking out into a sweat already. We're almost done, guys. We have 2 minutes left. Pulse. And last one, go into your child's pose and you are done for the day. Be sure to check out Sunday Olive Pilates on Instagram. Give us a follow and I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye guys. Leave a comment down below also if you really enjoyed this one.